Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to take a look at the video linked in our description. It will show you the kitchen before any work started and all of the work leading up to the cabinet installation. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video to see the big reveal. You won't want to miss it. This remodel really changed the whole entire home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. It's a few days into the cabinet installation. The guys are installing Waypoint 610D maple silk cabinets. Here's a few more days into the cabinet installation. You can really see the new layout and the large island we added to the space. The Richelieu hardware has been installed. We used BP 606128-195 poles on the base cabinets and drawers and BP 260637-195 knobs for the wall cabinets. Now we wait for the countertops. The quartz countertops have been installed. They are Cambria Berwyn with double round edges. We also installed a Blanco diamond sink in the color Biscotti. The backsplash we installed was MSI Crema Cappuccino basket weave polished tile. Just a side note, we also installed a matching mantle in the living room and laminated over the brick with Dow Tile Golden Sun Stack stone to pull the two rooms together. Here is the completed kitchen. As you can see, it is hardly recognizable from the original kitchen and layout. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this remodel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.